Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the UPC_R2_loader64 DLL was not found error in Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag. If you're seeing this error and the game won't launch, just follow the steps carefully. First, open Windows Security and click on Protection History from the left-hand menu. Look through the list of blocked items. If you find an entry related to Assassin's Creed Black Flag or UPC_R2_loader64.dll, expand it, click Actions, and select Allow on device. This will restore the blocked file if Windows Security has quarantined it. If you don't see the file there, or the issue still persists, go back to Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings, then scroll down and select Add or Remove Exclusions. Click the plus Add an Exclusion button, choose Folder, and browse to your Assassin's Creed Black Flag installation directory. Select the game folder and add it as an exclusion. This prevents Windows Security from blocking the game's files in the future. Next, open the game installation folder. Inside, you'll find one of two possible folders depending on your game version. Open whichever folder is available on your PC, then copy all of the files and folders inside it, and paste them into the main game directory. If prompted, replace or merge the files. Finally, if you're using any third-party antivirus software, temporarily disable it, as it may also be blocking the required DLL file. Now launch the game again. In most cases, the UPC_R2_loader64.dll was not found error should be resolved. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss future troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.